We got a smorgasbord. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correct. Let's make a vegan Mother's Day brunch. Let's get started. Now today is obviously not Mother's Day because this video came out before Mother's Day, but I will not be here for half of actual Mother's Day. I'll be in Philadelphia. We're gonna already say the event went really well with me and Be For Real. But anyway guys, on the menu today, we are going to make some breakfast potatoes, some pigs in a blanket. I'm gonna attempt to do double pigs in a blanket. Let's pray it works. What I mean is I'm gonna wrap some bacon around the carrot dogs I'm gonna use, and we're gonna see if that works. We're then gonna have some breakfast sausage. I have some Beyond Meat sausage. Let's get started by cutting up one whole green bell pepper. I'm gonna cut up about half of a white onion. Then I'm gonna move on to an Idaho potato. Y'all don't use this, use red potatoes. This just does not work out the way I wanted it to. I had baked this potato for about 40 minutes and it was still too soft. So I would rather use a red potato. They don't crumble as easily as these do. So then I'm adding everything to my pan. I left out a little bit of the white and green pepper because I didn't have that much onion. Remember, I'm only feeding one person. Adding some grapeseed oil to the pan and a little bit of country crock butter. This is where I went wrong and I highly regret using jar garlic. I am against jar garlic, but it's a quick, easy go-to. And I just think it ruined the taste of my meal. I just did not enjoy that jarred garlic taste. So I kind of spoiled myself on that one. I'm adding in some of Chef Joya's Golden Chick. I'll show you guys the ingredients in case you want to mimic what's inside. Then I'm following up with some kicking chicken on our potatoes, and this really kind of helps cover up that, again, that jarred garlic taste. Now let's move on to our vegan eggs. We're going to use some country crock plant butter, and now we're going to add in our Just egg. And yes, just like you, I was a little nervous about it coming out in chunks, so I had to check the expiration date, but we are good. Now I'm adding in a teaspoon of black salt and some garlic and herb all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to give that a whisk. And then I'm going to let that sit because the key to cooking Just egg is to let it cook low and slow, okay? Okay, guys, it has been the 10 minutes. As you can see, it's pretty much done cooking. Still a little loose here, but we're going to go ahead and mix it because we don't want it to be an egg pancake. We want scrambled eggs, so I'm going to go ahead and stir it a little bit. Okay, it's stuck a little bit to the pan, but not as bad had it been. Not as bad had it not been on low, basically. And this is easy to scrape off. I'm scraping it off right now. Right off the bottom of the pan, low and slow. So don't do this if you're hungry. I'm actually gonna go ahead and unplug my my pan because, as you guys know, you have to eat this or regular eggs immediately. So let me unplug. So because they are still, basically I'm gonna end up having to put these in a microwave. I know, shame, shame, shame. But my point is, they still have a lot of moisture in them right now. So when you put them in the microwave, it won't overcook them. See what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. It can cook a little bit more residual, but we'll cook the rest of the moisture out in the microwave when we have to reheat this to go along with the rest of the meal. Moving on to our baby carrots, aka our carrot dogs. You're gonna boil these in some hot water for about 7 to 10 minutes until they are fork tender. All right, let's make our marinade for these carrot dogs, y'all. I'm gonna take some garlic powder, sprinkle that on here. Bye-bye. I'm gonna take some apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do about 2 capfuls, y'all. 1 and 2. Gonna take some liquid aminos, about 2 tablespoons. Same thing as the apple cider vinegar, honestly, when I say 2 capfuls, about 2 tablespoons worth. This also depends, of course, how many carrots you're about to do, but as you can see, I mean, we have a lot, but I don't even know if I'm gonna wrap all these yet. I can't predict the future, okay? We're gonna take some liquid smoke. Okay, boom, not too much of that because y'all know it can just get really, really bad. And we're gonna take some Worcestershire sauce, about 1 tablespoon, okay? Now the goal is to get this salty. That is the point of us adding all this marinade to these carrots. That's what we are going to do. So I'm gonna close this lid and we're gonna let this marinate for at least 4 hours, okay? Preferably overnight, but we don't have that kind of time. All right. Good morning, you guys. It is actually the next day. So I got home and our power was out. So I never did get to cook our carrot dog. So here we are. No worries, the power was only out for about 2 hours, so the food is fine. It's just the fact that, wow, this video is going on longer than I thought. So here we go. My mom has just pretty much gotten up. I'm gonna tell her to not fix any food as soon as I go in and put this in the oven. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. This was Pillsbury crescent rolls. These are vegan on accident, the original. Now I'm gonna try something different with a couple of these. I'm gonna use my Bee-Leaf vegan bacon to make like a double pig in a blanket. I think that's just gonna be so cool. Also, I don't know if you guys hear, I am cooking some Beyond sausage as well in the pan. Like I told y'all, my mom is getting up. We gotta hurry up. I did tell her not to eat anything yet, so hopefully she listens. Next, we're gonna take one of our crescents here. I'm gonna put in one of our carrot dogs. Now I don't know if my mom's actually gonna like these. Who knows? She's not a big bread person, and I know she never had a carrot dog, so if she doesn't like them, that's all right. But your mom might like them. Y'all see? So I'm just gonna take it and roll it like a regular hot dog would be. And then I have no idea why I didn't get a regular size carrot. I remember when I first did these, I had did mini carrots, and I didn't look at the video where I said use regular size carrots. All right, so for the next one, let's try to do our double pig blanket. So let's do carrot at first. And then what I'm gonna do now is take some of our bacon, place that there, continue to roll. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut this one off. I don't want to make this one with 2 carrots. I just want it to be bacon and carrot in here. Let's do it with another one. Boom. All right, let me show you guys in some proper lighting. All right, there you go. So the long ones are our regular carrot dogs, and the other ones are our carrot and bacon dogs. I guess I'll go ahead and roll one more, because why not? The bread's gonna go in the trash regardless. All right, let's put it in the oven. Oh, I lied. Gotta brush some butter on top and then put it in the oven. My oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. This butter, however, is not melted. I'm just gonna brush it along the top. All right, for dessert, guys, we're gonna keep it simple with some strawberries and blueberries topped with a little bit of whipped cream. So all we're gonna do is cut up our strawberries, and blueberries already just go as is. Okay guys, it's been a total of 10 minutes with these in the oven. I will let them go for 15, maybe 20, check the brownness. But again, I told you my mom had to take medicine. I want this to be all around. See that brownness? Let me focus, y'all. I want it to be brown like this on both sides, so a little bit longer. She won't get sick, trust me. She's not even a big bread person, so this is really okay. Here's some mustard I added in case she wants to dip the pigs in a blanket inside of there. Let's get back out our fruit. I put it in the freezer because obviously the whipped cream, look, it already deflated, y'all. The whipped cream has deflated. And we are ready to serve. Now your mom probably eat more than this, maybe, maybe not. Let me put it in the light. Here is our meal. Okay, y'all, so this is like an hour later, waiting till my mom, you know, she ate about half the plate. I asked her her honest opinion and she said it was a little too heavy for her. So I don't know if she really liked it, y'all, but here is the leftover pigs in a blanket. That's really the only thing I haven't tried before. I like the rest of it except for the potatoes. I should never have used that jar of garlic, but we already discussed that. Okay, so let's get into the pigs in a blanket. I'm gonna try the regular one first. This is the one with just carrot. This is good. The only problem I can see is it's still a little crunchy. My fork went through it, but I guess I was a little too eager trying to rush and hurry up. Even last night. So still a little bit of a crunch in the carrot, but the flavor, so good. Okay. Let's try the one with bacon inside. I know y'all really can't see the bacon, but that is so good. I like it. But as you guys know, my mom still eats like pig feet, you know what I'm saying? Like the really disgusting food. So I don't take an offense. That's why when I win, it's a big win for me when she likes my food. And if I lose, I'll be like, well, she still eat pig feet. You know what I'm saying? Listen, you can't win them all. But she was so appreciative though that I still try to cook for her. Even if it was a we're gonna say it was a 5 out of 10 for her, but for me, I give it an 8 out of 10. And now I got leftovers. Bye-bye. Before I end this video though, guys, seriously, happy Mother's Day 2022 to all the mothers, grandmothers, aunts, any caregivers, babysitters, nannies, anyone who loves on a child on a consistent basis. Thank you. Also, my deepest condolences to those who cannot be with their mother this year. My heart goes out to you. And if you need anything, reach out, because I just can't even imagine. But we are done for the day. I will see you guys next video. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.